Woo! Smooth as silk. Okay. Well, still doing some testing, but so far so good. This one looks good. Oh wait, what's that? Interesting. Anyway. Okay. Yeah, it wasn't easy. I had to get underneath, reach my arms all the way up. This side was actually pretty easy. I got him from underneath. There's a lot of room. Plugs 1, 3, basically 5 you can get from underneath. 7 you can get from inside. 8 and 6 easily from inside. And 2 and 4 from, well, 2 you can get from out here actually, or even from inside. It's pretty easy. But 4 is the pain in the ass. Well, with these headers, because see they cross over like that. So, but done. I'm gonna take a look inside that. I gotta get that stupid air filter out of there. That's part of my problem too, I'm sure. But I gotta open up the distributor cap now and have a look at it, see if it needs some cleaning or whatever. See if anything strange is going on inside it. Yeah, I might have to tighten up these belts here. Those adjustments there and on the power steering. There's one there too, so we'll see. Anyway, check that out. Well, it seems to be running better. I gotta check the plug once I drive it for a little bit and see how it looks. See if it's burning. Well, it seems to be running better. I gotta check the plug once I drive it for a little bit and see how it looks. See if it's burning or I'll have to check the compression after that. Anyway, I'm gonna take it for a little test run up the road and back. Okay, I just got back. Holy. So, this thing runs like a bat out of hell. Well, I got to still do some carb adjustments. When I did tromp on it from start, it did bog down. So that's probably some adjustments. But once I got it going a little bit, then I slowly went fast. Yeah, a few days of no work. It's been pretty cold outside. I can't get this thing in the garage yet. I got too much shit everywhere. But anyway, did take the dash out. So I could replace this cluster here. And maybe tackle some of this wiring here to clean it up and try to see where it's all going. And, but I think I'm gonna get at that heater core next anyway. That way I got some heat in here at least in the winter.